Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's Fair Girl guys, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved twist braid with darling natural twist on the natural hair. Usually I use the expression series, but this time I'm going to be using the natural twist from darling. I hope you enjoy and learn a thing or two from this video. Come with me, thank you.
I give you everything I am.
So for this hair, we actually bought two darling natural twists and we're going to unpack it, lose it, and cut it into three different sections.
For a second, breathe. I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.
By the way guys, I'm using this time to give a very big shout out to some particular people on this channel. The first people are my new subscribers, my existing subscribers, everybody that have pressed the like button. Mwah! Thank you very much. And the second shout out is to my very beautiful friend that I'm making this hair for. Boom boom, as I usually call her. I love you darling. Thank you very much. This particular hair is a very good example of a hair that has been well fed. Can you guys see how well moisturized this hair is already? And by the way, this hair was pre-washed before I started doing it, but the hair is already dry, which is kind of making it a little bit harder for me to detangle without it aching her. That's why I'm actually spraying, using the spray bottle to spray water to ease the detangling process. So guys, can you see the hair? Defined curls don't make sense. You see very well defined curls. So guys, let's just maintain our hair. I know we want to use like affordable products, and sure I'm going to be showing you some affordable products you can use on your hair. But guys, let's just do something. Leave-in conditioners, shampoos, put deep conditioning there. Let's just do everything possible. Let's feed our hair and you see the end result. And the level of shrinkage of this hair is like massive. This hair is long, oh, see shrinkage. Okay now, black girls and shrinkage.
Take it all the time I need to wrap my head around you, 'cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. You're so inside the agony, you stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby, I lose my mind.
And the first affordable product is Better Hair Oil. Can somebody clap friends? Yes, Better Hair Oil guys. It is affordable. I miss those days where we can just use better products, but I guess there are more products that just works for different hair textures. Petals hair product you can use on relaxed hair, natural. See this pink coil, this thing that they call pink coil that is from Petals. Guys, if you use your hair, it's like quite very. Give me another English that is more serious than very. It's very good with moisturizing your hair.
No one ever tells students why they should write something. Why are you writing? Well, you need the grade. It's like, no. You need to learn to think, because thinking makes you act effectively in the world. Thinking makes you win the battles you undertake, and those could be battles for good things. If you can think and speak and write, you are absolutely
That her hair too was like finely refined wool, and not a fiber of her hair was the opposite of cool, but it reflects on the outside, the struggle on the inside, where natural meets the straightness that
Someone
we
gave
take.
me advice. They said, not everyone that's hurt you cares. Forgiveness lets you off the hook. Why would you carry that with you? The person doesn't care. Why are you tainting and infecting all the amazing moments that could happen in your life with someone that doesn't care how they hurt you? So how do you figure out how to let that go?
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Take it all the time, I need to wrap my head around you. Cause God knows I want ya. You take it everything for me, you don't even know. You're so inside the agony. You stop for a second, breathe.
And yes, if you are watching this video to this time, please don't forget to click the like button if you found the video helpful. If you have any questions or any comments to ask, please type it in the comment section or leave a comment below. The details of the music used is in the description box below. More hairstyles, guys, hairstyles, every other videos I've posted on about hair, natural hair. Yeah, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. You can just go to my profile. Where you see fake girl, you can just click it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that when I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Well, maybe you'll be among the first to be.
The one that everyone thought was weak and a pushover. The girl who everyone ran to when they had problems, but were never there for her. That girl who finally started seeing her worth and setting her boundaries. That girl who goes after her dreams because now she realized it's time to put herself first. That girl, she is going to conquer the world. with or without anyone, because she knows her worth and she knows that if she has herself, nothing can stop her. And that girl,
I need you to be so aggressive in your healing that you don't recognize the person that you were before that.
Because physiologically men and women are different, sir. Oh my God, this is so basic. We have to get into it. Okay, when we talk about equality and opportunity, we talk about cerebral opportunity. We're not saying I want to be able to be 200 pounds like a man and beat the shit out of somebody else. We're not saying that. We're saying you get the ability to get the job, to be the CEO, and nobody questions when you're driven at 50 and have 3 children, how you're managing it all. Don't question me. That's what I'm saying. I can be a CEO and a mother.
My high school English teacher, Mr. Fisk, I actually paid attention one time in class. And he said, he had this beautiful quote, and it read, "Rest at the end, not in the middle." And I took that to heart. I believe there's time for resting at the end, but for me, that time is not now. Thank you for this tremendous honor and acknowledging my basketball career, but I'm far from done. My next dream is to be honored one day for inspiring the next generation of athletes to have a dream, sacrifice for it, and never ever rest in the middle.
I am willing to be seen. I am willing to speak up. I am willing to keep going. I am willing to listen to what others have to say. I am willing to go forward even when I feel alone. I am willing to go to bed each night at peace with myself. I am willing to be my biggest, bestest, most powerful self. These 7 statements scare the
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through